So today I'm going to show you how I built a list of over 50,000 people to my messenger bot and how you can do the exact same thing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So in case that you don't know, messenger marketing is pretty hot right now. And what messenger marketing is that you use a messenger bot basically to contact or send messages to subscribers from your messenger bot. Using this method allows you to get amazing open rates. I'm talking about open rates of over 70%, which is pretty difficult to do with email. When you send an email, you basically can get between 10, 15, sometimes 25% at most. But with messenger bots, you're able to get 75%, 80%, up to 90% open rates, and you can get lots and lots of people on anything that you want pretty quickly. Now, I've been using messenger marketing for the past few months, and I've been using ManyChat, which is a platform that allows you to build your own subscriber base on Messenger and allows you to send messages to those people whenever you want. So over the past few months, I've been able to build a list of over 50,000 people, allowing me to send traffic to pretty much anything that I wanted instantly. In fact, if you want to see proof of that, you can go and watch this video, which shows you how I was able to generate thousands and thousands of visitors in a matter of minutes using ManyChat. And how ManyChat actually works is quite simple. You simply link your ManyChat bot to your Facebook page, and then you can utilize different tools that they offer you to build your subscriber base. And from there, you can set up automated follow-ups. You can send community updates. Now, personally, what I like to do with my messenger list is to utilize it to send traffic to my many blogs, and sometimes I use it to promote different videos from those specific Facebook pages. And so by having a large subscriber base on ManyChat, it allows me to send traffic to pretty much anything that I want, including videos, websites, my own personal blogs, and it just depends on which Facebook page you have your bot attached to. So you can set up multiple bots to different Facebook pages. So if you have 5 different Facebook pages in different niches, you can build a bot for every single page. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is how I was able to get to 58,000 subscribers in my messenger list, and how I was able to do that using ManyChat. And I did this in 3 different ways, which I'm going to talk about in this video. And if you want more details about how ManyChat works and how you can sign up for a free account, I'm going to put a link below in the description. So the first thing that you'll need once you have your bot created in ManyChat is you need to go to the widgets section in ManyChat. Now, you have multiple options when it comes to how to use the different tools that ManyChat provides to build your list. But one of the first things that you need to do is install the pop-up inside your blog or website. So if you're already getting 500, 1,000 visitors, 50,000 visitors per month to your website or blog, by installing that pop-up inside of your blog, every single visitor is going to see that, and they'll have the opportunity to subscribe to your ManyChat bot by simply clicking one simple button. Once they do that, they'll be automatically added to your list. You'll be able to send messages to those people whenever you want. That's the first thing that I did, and because I had a blog that was receiving a lot of traffic, immediately after applying that pop-up in my blog, I was getting 50 to 100 new subscribers to my list every single day. But what happens if you don't have a website or a blog and you still want to build the list in ManyChat? Well, this is where I used feature number 2 inside of the ManyChat widgets, which was the video comment tool. Although it's not technically for videos, you can use this for any type of post that you create on your Facebook page. What this basically does is that every single person that comments on a specific post that you pick on your Facebook page, it's going to have the opportunity to be added to your subscriber list on ManyChat. So let's say you have a post that goes viral with 500 shares, and you have 50, 100, 200 comments on that specific post on your Facebook page. What's going to happen is this feature for ManyChat, it will actually message all of those people automatically, asking them if they want to subscribe to your ManyChat bot. So what I would do is I would post multiple videos to my Facebook page, and after one of those videos went viral, I would use this feature to automatically message all those people. I had thousands and thousands of comments on that specific video. And basically I would put something like, hey, would you like to get updates on videos like these? And when people actually replied yes and they wanted to subscribe to get more videos, they would be automatically added to my ManyChat subscriber base. And this simple little tool was adding 50, 100, up to 200 new subscribers to my ManyChat list every single day. Now the cool thing about this is that you can replicate this to multiple posts, multiple videos, pictures, whatever it is that you want to do on your Facebook page. You can use this feature to basically get as many subscribers as you want for free without paying for them. But if you want results a little bit faster like I did, if you wanted to build the list to 10,000, 20,000 subscribers extremely fast, what I personally did is I would get one of those videos and I would promote that video by boosting the post to my followers and their friends. So if I had a viral video that was getting a lot of views on a daily basis, I would use Facebook ads to basically boost that post to 50,000, 100,000 people extremely fast in a matter of 7 days to 10 days or something like that. And I will use this feature from ManyChat to get all those people that were commenting on that specific video to try to get them to subscribe to my ManyChat list. And so by doing these three simple little things, that basically allowed me to build the list of over 50,000 subscribers extremely fast. So now once or twice per week, whenever we want to promote a specific post on our blog or a specific video that's doing really well on our Facebook page, all we have to do is create a simple message inside of our ManyChat and basically send that message to our subscriber list, and that generates thousands of views or thousands of clicks to our blog. So guys, Facebook Messenger marketing and ManyChat marketing is a pretty powerful tool if you want to get more views to your Facebook videos. If you want to get more traffic to your website, to your blog, you can utilize Messenger marketing basically in ManyChat as a tool to allow you to build that messenger list and send traffic to anything that you want. Now, there are some rules and things that you got to keep in mind before you start using ManyChat, mainly because you have to comply with the Facebook rules that they have for sending messages. But the cool thing is that ManyChat makes it extremely easy to follow, and they show you exactly what you can and can't do inside of ManyChat. Now, the good news about this is that if you want to build a messenger list to be able to send traffic to your blog or get more views on your videos, it's quite simple to sign up for ManyChat, and you can sign up for free. I believe that you can get up to 500 new subscribers without having to pay for them. After 500, then you need to pay for a monthly fee. So guys, these are the steps that I took. If you want to learn more about ManyChat, like I said, I'm going to put a link below for you to check it out. And you can utilize this platform to basically send traffic to anything that you want. Personally, what I like to do is build my list to as many people as I can. The bigger the list, the more traffic that I can generate to my videos and also my blog posts. So I do hope that you found value in this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.